Let's take a look at the Luna and Luca picture frame. So this is a really nice picture frame. I like that it has this kind of plastic side that almost looks like a steel edge. It's very nice quality, good solid edge, and then it's got a plexiglass top, but it comes with a seal over top of it, like a little label basically that protects it. So in my case, it arrived, it's very clear. You just peel that label off both sides and then you can go ahead and put that into the frame. I'm using it to frame a piece of my child's art. Again, nice crisp lines around the side here. Really nice timeless design. It's very easy to insert your art. So there's an MDF fiberboard backing on here. You've got options to hang it either horizontally or vertically. So I've got it in the vertical orientation, and you basically just pop this fiberboard off the back, put your art in on top of that plexiglass, put the fiberboard back on, and then these little sort of springy pieces hold the frame in place. So it's nice and secure on there. Overall, nice, beautiful, clean, timeless look. Took me about 5 minutes to put the art in there, so I think it's really easy to use, and it's beautiful. I think it'll do a good job to protect and display that art.